Hello everyone. So first of all, I would like to thank all the healthcare workers and the doctors who are actually fighting against this pandemic in the front lines. Uh, Yesterday, my brother Tuhin came across a news where New York University has come up with a face shield, which can be manufactured in less than 1 minute using 3D printing technology. But what we think is you can actually make it very easily using day-to-day products at home. So I would like to explain you how. So they have actually used OHC material for the shield, but what instead of that, what you can use is, I'm sure everyone in their home has a file, an old file which is not used. So what you can do is you can use a transparent file. In my case, I have this file which I have cut into half. So if you cut into half, how this works is you just need to fold this like this and use the scissors, cut the edges here and here. After you have cut this like this, all you need is a bandana. Here I have cut this bandana into one piece, and then you can do is just instead of using this bandana, you can also use a hairband or a rope or anything that you think is sufficient to tie this up. So what you can just get like this. Here you go. Like this. So after this, you can either use a stapler to staple this up, or you can also use a hook which can be easily detachable. So before wearing this, obviously I would recommend that you wear a mask, because this won't be enough to protect you against this. This is obviously an extra protection shield which can help you. So all you can do is, after this, if it's tied up, you can just wear it around your head like this. This actually works, guys, and the fact that you can easily breathe, and this is also not touching your nose. Here there is like a gap of 1.5 centimeter, so from your nose, so it's not annoying. Also, you can wear it instead of using this vertically. You can also use this horizontally, which will give you a lot more surface area like this. So I'm sure the government is doing a lot and doing their best at the moment to provide all the necessary resources. But we have a saying in Assamese called Naimumat ke konamu maibhal. So which means that you have at least something to protect you against. So you can use this. If you think this can actually work, you can spread this word and help all the doctors and healthcare workers to reach this idea, so that they can make this themselves and have that extra bit of protection. Thank you. If you like it, please spread the word. Stay safe and stay home.